Merong bagong update about a loan from Como Bank. And sino ba to si Como Bank? Nagkaroon na tayo actually ng review about Como Bank. This is a digital bank powered by East West Bank. Nag-update na sila and now available na ang loan options sa Como Digital Bank na to. So ano-ano ba ang details na itong personal loan ng Como Digital Bank? And sabi nila, you can loan as much as 2 million pesos. But this is depending on your capacity to pay. So, ano nga ba ang mga requirements, mga details, interest rate? So, samahan niyo ako ngayong araw. Pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about entrepreneurship, small business, and other good financial practice na meron na akong experience at ginawan ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, this is a good thing na i-discuss natin because most of the digital banks right now are usually more on savings. And kaya nga nag-open ng mga digital banks is for them to get investment from depositors. Now, the bank needs to work on how to use that money para mapalago yun. So, in terms of yan, personal loan, mga credit cards. So, doon ginagamit ng mga banks yung portion ng pera ng mga depositor sa pagpapautang. And now, once na nakapagpautang siya at nakakolekta siya ng mga payments ng mga umutang, syempre, di ba, may interest expense yung mga utang ngayon. So, portion of that interest is now being provided sa mga depositors as interest income naman. So, basically, ganun yun. So, kaya kailangan din talaga ng loan products ng mga digital banks. That's one way for them para kumita at para ma-sustain ang matataas na interest rate ng mga digital banks. Okay. So, let's move on kay Como. If hindi mo pa napapanood yung review ko about Como Bank, which is yan, head on to that video or nasa link na rin sa baba. Check nyo if Como Bank is for you. So now, pag-usapan na natin ang personal loan ni Como Bank. So sabi nga ni Como is you can borrow from 25,000 pesos as much as 2 million pesos. But this is dependent on your capacity to pay. So ano-ano ba yung mga requirements na kailangan when you apply a personal loan with Como Bank? Actually, the usual lang naman. So, nandyan ang pagsasubmit ng application form. Pangalawa is yung proof of identification. So, syempre, yung mga valid government IDs. Pangatlo is proof of residence. And pang-apat, which is proof of income. Yes, the normal. Kung employed ka, payslip, 2316, and COE. Kung may business ka naman, syempre, nandyan ang DTI, business permit, mayor's permit, audited financial statement. So, yun yung mga kailangan naman kung business ka. Some details about Como personal loan. So, actually, since Como is also being managed by East West, so parang si East West na rin nagpapautang. So, ito. What is East West personal loan? It is a multi-purpose non-collateral loan facility financed by East West. East West personal loan is available to qualified Como account holders. In terms of interest rate, ito yung isa sa mga traditional banks na nagba-vary ang interest rate. Paano ba ginagawa doon? Bakit hindi fix ang interest rate? Ang nangyayari is, titingnan kasi yung proof of financial capacity mo. Kapag nakita nila na mataas ang capacity to pay mo, yun yung chance mo to get a lower interest rate. While if your capacity to pay is hindi ganun kaganda, well, doon naman nila tinataasan yung interest rate. Baliktad, di ba? Hindi ko rin alam pero ganun talaga ang sistema ng mga bank. Hindi lang naman dito sa Pilipinas, ganun din yan sa ibang bansa, sa US, na the more na mas mahirap ka, the more na mas mataas ang interest rate mo. Hindi ko alam. Pero yun talaga. Pero sa tingin ko, baliktad dapat. The more na nangangailangan ka is the more na mas mababa ang interest rate. Paano ba magbabayad? This is also the same as other personal loan na ino-auto-debit lang. So, kailangan, bago mag-due date, meron ng laman yung ATM account mo or yung savings account mo at i-auto-debit na lang yun ni East West or ni Como. Siguro, ito na lang yung one thing na pwede nating i-highlight is the late payment fee. If hindi ka nakapagbayad with your Como personal loan, nagpapatong sila ng late fee na 8% ng amount due or 500 pesos, whichever is higher. So here are the fees involved when you get a personal loan. Sabi dito, there's an one-time application fee of 1,900 pesos. So that's one. If your loan is above 250,000 pesos, then there's an additional 1 peso and 50 centavos every 200 pesos as a documentary stamp tax. Okay, so now that we have discussed those information na available, malalaman din natin kung eligible tayo for a personal loan kay Komo by just checking in sa app. So, ito, makikita natin, open natin yung Komo app. Ayan. So, nandito na tayo sa dashboard ng Komo. Makikita nyo na nakalagay doon, loans. Pag clinic nyo yung loans, mapupunta kayo dito sa loans made easy via Komo. Get started with Komo Loans Marketplace. So, basically, dalawa yung available loan nila. Isang teacher loan and isang personal loan. So, I guess yung teacher's loan, ibibigay lang yan sa mga teacher, malamang. And itong personal loan is for individuals. So, nakalagay dito, whether it's for traveling with the family, investing in your child's future, or planning for a big purchase. So, let's try to click apply. And makikita na natin na hindi tayo eligible for a personal loan. So, kasi sabi niya, thanks for checking out. Stay tuned. We can't wait to share this incredible feature with you. Keep an eye on our app, on our social media for updates. So, kung akong tatanungin nyo kung okay ba umutang dito with Komo, I can say na yes, okay naman umutang dito sa Komo personal loan. Number one, this is a fully licensed digital bank. Number two, this is backed by East West Banking Corporation. So, alam natin na legitimate ang operation ni Komo Bank. Number three, meron kasing established interest rate coming from Bangko Sentral na hindi naman sila pwedeng mag-go beyond that kasi regulated sila ng Bangko Sentral. Unlike sa mga online lending apps na hindi ganun talaga nang monitor yung interest rate. Kaya sobrang taas ng interest rate ng online lending apps. Okay, downside is for sure mahirap mag-apply kasi this is a bank. Yun nga, nasabi ko yung mga requirements, mahigpit ang mga requirements sa mga bank. And talagang tinitingnan nila ang proof of financial capacity mo. So, kung madali ba mag-apply? So, hindi madaling mag-apply for a personal loan with traditional banks or with digital banks na syempre back up by traditional banks. For question of the day, na-try mo na ba ang Komo Digital Bank? And kung oo, ano yung selling point ni Komo Digital Bank sa'yo at ginagamit mo siya? So just make sure na naka-like and subscribe na kayo dito sa channel ko and also write the hashtag road to 75k subs para makasali kayo sa ating cellphone giveaway for the month of October. Yun lang muna for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay Rain Zerkiel. Sabi niya, thank you much. Kahit kailan talaga when it comes to finance topics, yung explanation mo ang pinakamadaling intindihin. By the way, here's my answer regarding the question of the day. So, at Rain Zerkiel, maraming salamat po for watching my videos and supporting my channel. So, yun lang muna po for today's video. I hope you could like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala namang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!